Replacing a board with ejector levers. Take appropriate EST measures before you perform operations. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the 2 captive screws. Do not install or remove a board when the screws are not loosened. Grasp the 2 ejector levers and turn them outward with force. Hold the ejector levers with each hand and smoothly pull out the board along the guide rails of the slot. When the board is about to exit the chassis, hold the lower edge of the board with one hand and the board panel with the other hand before removing the board completely from the chassis. Check that the new board is not damaged or deformed. Hold the lower edge of the board with one hand and the board panel with the other hand. Then smoothly insert the board into the chassis along the guide rails of the slot. Stop sliding the board forward when the ejector levers of the board reach the chassis. Check that the 2 captive screws are loosened. Do not install or remove a board when the screws are not loosened. Turn the upper and lower ejector levers on the board outward at a 45-degree angle and at the same time push the board into the slot. Turn the ejector levers inward and downward until the board panel is completely pushed into the slot. Use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten the captive screws.